Okay, so this video is about subsetting your data. So first, we're going to load our raster data into QGIS. So you folks are all familiar with this by now. So I'm just going to go to my raster data, my level 2 data. Okay. Okay, so here are my level 2 data. And I want bands 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those are the bands I know I'm going to be working with. So I'm going to bring those in. Okay. And so right now, we have the full scene. And especially with doing classifications, it can be taxing, right? On the computer to have to do all of that at once. And so what I'm going to do today is subset the data. So, let's say I really only needed this area anyway. Again, I'm making sure that it's got farm fields, lakes, streams, and urban areas, and suburban areas, and mountains, and grasslands. So, but I'm going to subset it here. And so the way to do that is there's a few ways to do that. You could make a polygon and subset it by that polygon. I'm just going to subset it by the actual viewing window. So that means you zoom in until you have what you want, and then you just subset it from that window. So I go to raster, clip raster by extent. So that's the extent of the current view. So I'm just go ahead and do all these. I'll start with band 2. And I'll just say if there's no data, call it a 0. And I do want to save, right? I want to save these because it's save because I want to be able to use these later on. So, and I've already done these, but, level 2 subset, basically, choose where you're going to save it. And then you can run. Clipping extent. Use canvas extent. So that's just saying use this area. Okay. And just as a for instance, so let's zoom out. And lo and behold, now we've got an area clip. So you just clip all the layers, all the different bands that you need by that same extent, and then you can go ahead and use those to build your layer stack. So the next video, I'll show you. You folks. I know you folks know how to build a layer stack, but I'll show you folks in the next video how to build a layer stack with these subsets.